So while we are converting our code to a flowchart, or we're converting a problem statement into a flowchart and then going ahead and writing code, it's important that we understand the diagrams or the symbols that are used while we are creating flowcharts. And again, you have to keep in mind that these are standardized. Across the world, the diamond means the same thing. It's precious, no doubt, but a diamond represents decision making. Let's see the symbols that are involved. So the first one, let me just minimize this and we'll take it up one by one. So the first one happens to be the oval. It's also called as the Terminator. Something that is going to start of a process, or it indicates the stopping of a process. Start or stop of a process is indicated using a terminator, and the symbol is basically the oval. So the second symbol is the rectangle, and it's called as for process. It's called as whenever there is process to be followed, we're going to be using a rectangle for it. Process like what? It could be with regards to any of the arithmetic operation that you're performing, or any of the data manipulations that you would be doing. It could also be with respect to introducing of a variable, invoking few methods on a particular variable, or performing your arithmetic operations like adding two numbers. All of that is going to be done within the rectangle symbol. So the third symbol is primarily the arrows. So the arrows are useful for indicating the flow of logic, and it will help you connect symbols. The entire flow of the program is marked using arrows. So that's the third symbol. The fourth one happens to be the diamond. So diamonds are meant for decision making. Wherever within your code you have to make some decisions, like true or false, yes or no, that part of it can be represented using diamonds. The next one happens to be the parallelogram. This is primarily when you're taking inputs or outputting, when you're giving an output of your program. So these are the parallelogram that you would be using. In this list, I've given you around 5, but there are few more that can be added to the list. But the fundamental and the basic ones are going to be these.